So here we are in the Pacific Eden, but how we got here is actually kind of an interesting story. So let me take you back to the beginning. So dropped off Emma at this hula hoop thing that she's teaching, and I'm heading to a place called Albury, and I'm gonna meet up with Glenn Starr, and we're gonna do a wedding, and we've never done that before, so it should be fun. Let's just get there. So this is the hotel room. I'm staying in for the night. I'm not a snob when it comes to hotel rooms. I've been in really, really good ones, and I've been in really, really bad ones. Now it's time to iron my shirt and get ready and go to the wedding.
Hey!
Glenn Starr, we're gonna do something.
We're gonna do some stuff.
Let's go to the night. Ready?
Let's do it.
Boom. All right, we're gonna start soon. We're just trying to figure out what songs to play. It's going good so far, I think. But that's all I have time for tonight. All right, big day today. I don't know how I'm gonna fit all of this into a minute, so let's just try it. Checking out of here in Albury, gonna have some breakfast. Let's do it. How do you think we went last night?
We had never done before. It was our first gig that we ever played together. There was no rehearsal. Danny Blake, you're a legend.
Let's eat.
Yeah.
All right. Whew, it's hot. All right, gonna drive 3 hours to Bendigo. So Bendigo is quite possibly one of the prettier cities in Australia. And I never allow myself enough time to like actually see it. And I need to come back here and like spend time. Right, so I'm checked into my hotel and now I gotta head to the Queen's Arms because that is where I'm playing tonight. Oh, this is awkward. It's not the biggest show in Bendigo, but it was a fun one and I love this place. Sometime I'll show you more of me playing, but not tonight because I'm tired. It's the next day, and yeah, so it's time to leave Bendigo and head back to Melbourne. I think I'm picking up Emma today. I'm out of clean clothes, so I need to do some laundry. I had some friends, Angela and Justin, something like that. Yeah, you're back. 2 to go. So thanks for having us. That was a quick little stop over here. Now we have to drive 8 hours.
Sleeping.
Bateman's Bay.
I'm gonna get out trying to film you. Cheers! Hey!
Cheese.
Just hanging out with the bonfire. This is nice. It's morning time. All right, I gotta get up. I just finished the vlog for Tech Tuesday. With Stephen McLaughlin just staring over my shoulder.
Bye.
Bye, Danny.
Let's see.
I don't know.
Say, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, welcome. There's like stars like crazy, so I'm just gonna put the GoPro down and hit record on the night time lapse feature and let's see what happens. Ready?
Starry, starry night.
It's my GoPro. There's a lot of water on it, which is good because it's a GoPro. Good morning, Emma. Where is Danny Black?
He's right here.
All right, so we're going somewhere else today. Ben,
Taking these guys to Gosang's Tunnel.
Dangerous waves.
Watch out, man! It's coming over. Out here, it's too windy.
All this wind. I can finally do my 80s music video. Look at this. It's amazing.
So far down.
2 minutes from now. It's going to be at 44 past 1.
It's 44 past 1.
Danny did my intro for my daily vlog today. Thanks very much, man.
You're welcome, man. We're gonna take some bikes down. Where are we going? To the beach or something?
We're going to go to Crookhaven Head's boat ramp and we see a sunset.
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my...
Sorry about the rush there, folks. It was a quick ride, but we had to get here for this.
Sun is down. We have one more day in this vlog of 7 days. I'm gonna do one more little star time lapse tonight, see if I can make it a little bit longer. So get ready for that. Ready, set.
Starry, starry night.
So we're leaving today. And where are we going?
To the beach, beach.
Oh, it's so nice. We're gonna get Ben on's final shot for his vlog. And yeah, we gotta be in character here.
Oh, that's we're out of time! I think that went really well.
Check out Ben on's vlog of this trip up there. And yeah, we gotta head off because we're going up to Oyster Bay. We're gonna meet up with this guy right here. This is Buster.
Hello.
Guess what Buster does? We're trying to buy some stuff for him to juggle.
Cucumber.
Yeah, 5'3". That's a good deal.
I've got a world record for juggling 5 eggs without breaking any of them. Until we go to the supermarket and buy random stuff to juggle. So we're going to call this episode $15.
James is a professional.
Even pick up after myself.
That's very good.
When life hands you lemons, you'd have to go around me. I can just turn around.
By the way, James is cooking us a really good home-cooked meal tonight. That actually hurts.
It's just bread. Oh yeah, it does. It does hurt when you do that.
1, 2. Tell a good yoke.
Exciting. Excellent.
Check out Buster. Right up there. Or here, I guess.
I'm not up there. I'm here.
Here. Now you're up there. He's a very talented and punny guy.
Punny
guy, so say bye.
Can I finish it?
Yes.
All right. Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Welcome to the house.
So we're here in Oyster Bay. We've been here before. I think I played the piano for a song. A little fried out comfy. So it's time for us to get on a train and head to Sydney. All right, here we go. Hopped in the cab, heading to White Bay to get on the Eden. So that brings me to now. We are on the Eden. Obviously, I've got some really cool stuff for next time, so make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, do all those fun things. Leave me a comment, let me know who you are and where you're watching from. See you next time, and thanks for watching. This is what's gonna make the 7 and 7 kind of hard because I think I'm gonna wanna go more than a minute here, but
You might have to.
I gotta suffer for my art like Benon does.
You might have
Benon,
to.
by the way.
Hello. Hello, Mark.
Hello. Yeah, so if you made it this far in the video, here's something you weren't expecting. So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video, it needs a lot more attention.